My name is John Bentley. I'm a CSIA instructor, one of the instructors for the C-DET course. I've been sweeping chimneys and doing air duct cleaning and dryer vents for over 25 years. What we try and do as instructors is convey the information that our attendees or course participants need to expand their knowledge and increase their knowledge base so they can serve their customers better. Dryer vents, chimneys, air ducts are all the same thing. They are all a passageway that accumulates unwanted material. Some are vertical, some are horizontal, but it's all pretty much the same thing. And we need to service them all. They all need regular maintenance. I would like to think that certified professionals, to maintain your certification, most people seem to strive to keep up with the latest technology, stay ahead of the pack, so to speak, and keep ahead as far as new advancements, new tools, any information that may come up from testing agencies and things like that. When you're certified and maintain that certification, it does take a great deal of effort. It really does. And to put forth that effort, you're going to be involved in what you're doing. I personally believe certification means what you, the certified individual, think it means. For me, it means I care enough to try and stay in the front of my field. It's keeping at the head of the pack. It's pushing the envelope and trying to keep your own experience and technical expertise at the top level that you can. Just pushing the envelope, that's the big thing. And maintaining the certification, it is not cheap and it is not easy. It does take effort, but again, if you expend that effort, you'll be rewarded for it. If an individual goes out on a job, if they go out alone, there will be a certified individual on that job. That's, in my opinion, that's a requirement. Some businesses will have the owner or a manager certified, but nobody else. And they claim they're certified and such. I want a certified individual coming to my house for something, or working on my car, or providing me with medical care, or whatever. So if one of our technicians goes out to a home, whether they be servicing air ducts, dryer vents, chimneys, whatever they do, there will be a certified individual on site. Absolutely. I would like to know if there is a certification or credentials, what you have as a credential, how long you've been doing it, in what areas you've been doing it. Sometimes geographic locations vary. Certain areas of the country have different systems and construction than other areas of the country. So I would like to know that the person servicing my system is well versed in the construction and operation of it, and can recognize problems, defects, have solutions or answers, or help me go in the right direction to find the answer that will be best suited for my situation. CSIA has been in operation for a long, long time. It's the granddaddy. In this organization in particular, there's a huge number of incredibly talented individuals. As an example, when you go to a convention, there is so much experience in some of these meeting halls. And when you're a member of this organization, you can tap into all that knowledge. And the sky's the limit. As you can go as far as you want to go because the knowledge base is there. And if you have a question, whether it be a technical advisor on the phone or speaking with other sweeps in your area or across the country, you can find the information and the answers that you need. There are some other organizations, people who may certify you. Some manufacturers will certify you as a liner installer or such. But with the CSIA, you get a wealth of information, and it's in a well-rounded form. Inspection, documentation, relining, masonry work, dryer vents, chimney sweeping, the National Chimney Sweep Training School and such. There's a huge amount of information for you to glean if you so choose. The tech center, the ability to come in, see real life situations, the lab equipment where we're sitting, and just getting your hands on and being able to work with such, it's just incredibly, it's invaluable. You can read a book all day long. You can go through the web, read the manuals and such, but when you get your hands on things and see it done, and the instructors with the CSIA, they are industry leaders. The majority of them have been in the industry for usually decades, and they have a wealth of knowledge, and they're able to pass it on to the attendees of the schools and classes and events like that. And that is worth its weight in gold. If you had told me in high school that I would live in Minnesota and I'd be sweeping chimneys, cleaning dryer vents and air ducts and such, I would have had you seek professional help. That was not on my radar.